we'll answer this one. Solve 4 plus 3x equals 4 times the quantity of 2x plus 6. Okay, so ang gagawin natin una, kopyahin muna natin itong equation natin. 4 plus 3x equals 4 times the quantity of 2x plus 6. Okay, so i-simplify muna natin itong nasa right side. So, kopyahin muna natin yung 4 plus 3x equals, so apply natin yung distributive property, distribute natin yan, so that is 4 times 2x is 8x, then 4, multiply natin kay positive 6, so magiging positive 24. Okay? Then, i-combine like terms natin. Okay, i-transpose natin yung 4 sa right side at saka itong 8x sa left side. So, 3x, kopyahin natin yan. Then, itong positive 8x, transpose natin dito sa left, magiging negative 8x. And then, equal sign. Kopyahin yan. Kopyahin yung 24. Positive pa rin siya kasi hindi siya na-change. Itong 4, positive 4, i-transpose natin sa right, magiging negative 4. Then, 3x minus 8x, negative 5x. Equal, 24 minus 4 is 20. Advance kasi mag-isip. Then, i-divide natin both sides by the coefficient of x. Okay, kopyahin muna natin yan. Then, divide natin both sides by negative 5. Okay, cancel natin yan. So, yung x, so, equals 20 divided by negative 5 is negative 4. Bakit negative 4? Kasi kapag mag-divide tayo ng unlike sign, the result is negative. Kahit baliktarin natin yan, negative pa rin ang result. So, x is negative 4. Sa choices natin, letter B is the correct answer.